Hello friends, welcome to Goemkarponn with me Suraj Nandrekar. As we all know, the campaigning is come to the fag end. Tomorrow is the till 5 o'clock is the last time for campaigning, and in between, during this precious time of campaigning, we have got the BJP's Calangute candidate Joseph Sequeira. Welcome Joseph Bab.
Thank you.
Joseph Bab, tell us how your campaigning is going on. You got hardly 2 weeks to campaign.
2 days.
No, since the ticket was announced.
Yeah. See, what happened is that we are doing excellent, and our campaigning is going on very well. We started with a low note, but now it is picking up, and I don't think we are backward in anything, but we are all now forward with lot of people coming for our rally. I mean, did door-to-door campaigning, and we are doing very well in this matter.
Joseph Bab, you are fighting against two-time MLA.
Yes.
Who was earlier in BJP. आता तो काँग्रेसीन गेला. You were earlier congressman. So this is become reverse. लोकांचो कितें रिस्पॉन्स आहा हेका?
लोकांचो एकूच रिस्पॉन्स आहा, तेका घरा धाडपाक आनी कांयच ना. कित्याक लोक जाणा तेणेन कितें केलां तें, आनी तो कसो काँग्रेसान भितर सरला तो, आनी काँग्रेसान भितर कोणेन घेतला तो, आनी कित्याक घेतला तो सगळो लोक गोंयचो जाणा. It is an open fact.
See, basically it is seen that he saw that there is anti-incumbency against BJP and he left.
Right.
Okay, in between he thought that the minorities will not vote for BJP.
Correct.
So he decided to leave BJP and join, and he had other reason of also wife not getting the ticket. तुमका कशें दिसता, when you go to the minorities, what is their response? Was the anti-incumbency against BJP or against the candidate?
See, it was, first of all, I'll tell you, in 2012, we had brought BJP in power, right? 2012. And it was him who we worked for him, and we got him in power. Right now, people are, when we go to the people are accepting us in open hands. They say that you have done the right thing by joining the BJP, and you should go ahead with it. And people are very happy, and people will show their results on 14th.
So right now your main opponent is saying that it's the matter of winning or losing is not the case here, because he is going to win by a huge margin. Is this overconfidence you feel?
तो स्वप्न स्वप्न. So it is left up to him, no. See, individual is saying that. Even I am saying that I am winning. Yeah. It's 110%. That is not an issue, right?
So what are the issues you are taking up with the people? See, as we know, you were the first one who challenged the ODP, Calangute ODP, and went to the High Court. Is this the main issue, or you have taken up some other?
No, there are 4-5 issues on this. See, first of all, we are not getting proper water. Right? We need 24 hours water, we need 24 hours electricity, we need good roads, internal roads to individual houses. These are the 3 things. If a person can give it to the public, public will never say that you are bad or you. So this is what the people are saying. Now regarding ODP and PDA, so PDA, he did a lot of things. PDA, he bought the PDA through back doors. I filed, when I was a sarpanch, I filed a petition in the High Court. There was stay order was there, and after that, after the stay order, the panchayat election was there. He manipulated the wards with the present ward member who were there. He put one ward into 4 wards. I mean, from 4 wards, he put those ward some voters in the other wards. And like manipulation, he did. He put it on his letterhead as the then Deputy Speaker of Goa, and he gave it to the Director of Panchayat. Director of Panchayat was forced to do all these changes. Even my ward, he did a OBC at the last minute, at the fag end, after at this assembler amche OBC kelo. So all these things he did, and
all manipulation.
he is a man of manipulation. No one will no one will believe that he is a good man. Everyone will say he is a man of manipulation, and with manipulation he has come up in his life. I don't want to talk more on that, because there is lot of things where manipulations have taken place. Right now, then I am talking about the PDA. PDA and ODP, I filed a petition in the High Court, right, to stay that. What happened is that when we lost, means my 3 members came in the panchayat, and for the first meeting, they took a resolution to withdraw the petition which is filed by the panchayat regarding the ODP. And who was the main person? The TMC chief, who is this Anthony Menezes, he withdrew it first because he was a sarpanch there, right? And of course, he was backed by that particular person who has done that PDA, and his colleagues. Even that UP candidate was involved in this to withdraw the case. So that is how our village was divided, and we fell down. We fell down on the PDA, and PDA came into existence.
So basically, you are trying to say that ODP and PDA, this AAP candidate, Congress candidate, and TMC candidate, all 3 are involved.
Yes, it is on records. No, I am not doing anything on. I am not manipulating anything, but everything is on record. The resolution was taken. The petition was filed by me, then the resolution was taken, then the resolution was sent to the High Court, and they withdrew it. And these are the persons who were there. The sarpanch at that time was Anthony Menezes, of TMC now.
Okay.
So he has messed up the thing, and he himself was saying that shata raktolo, dumar raktolo, boviaji che saidik san building aata te raktolo. I mean, who rakla?
Yeah, Joseph, tell me one thing. You have been the sarpanch of in the panchayat.
In the panchayat.
For 30 years.
Exactly.
As I know. Yeah. 30 years you have been there. Now when we talk about illegal constructions in the Calangute area, everybody is trying to blame you. What do you want to say about it?
Who will blame me? I will tell you. Let them tell me who has done illegalities, and I will vouch for it that it is legal. People do say that when I was there, illegality was there. No, it was not there. Either their houses were there, or they have got the approvals from the town and country planning. It is like that.
So you mean to say there were no illegalities, no illegal hotels?
No.
As your opponents are alleging?
No. See, my opponent will always try to point fingers at me because of this election time, Right? Where were they for the last 5 years? I was not in power. I was just a common man sitting at home. I was doing my work, right? And they were in power. Why didn't they react at that time? If I had done illegality, they should have filed cases against me that I have done illegalities, right?
Yeah. Next thing is, when we talk about development, Mr. Michael Lobo claims that he has done a lot of development like road widening, the Arpora bridge, then many more things like water and all he has solved. So what do you have to say about it?
Still my people in Calangute are shouting for water, na? You yourself knew about it. People goes with the pots to the PWD department asking for water, right? Asking for 24 hours electricity. What development he has done? Road widening is not his job. Road widening is not his job. It is a job of the PWD department, right? Merely standing there and saying that I have done the road widening, that doesn't solve the problem. I have done so many roads like that in the road widening area, which I have showed him. When he got elected, I showed him how to do these works. And I have done, but I have never said in any of my statements that I have done road widenings or a road. So it is the duty. I mean, you are not putting money from your own pocket. It is either the panchayat fund or the government fund, which it is funded by them, no, and not by yourself.
So basically you are trying to say that all the changes and development are cosmetic.
Yeah.
And the core issues of the people are left.
Exactly. Today I went to Kandoli in behind Lavande supermarket. 10-story building. I was shocked. And there is a road of only 4 meters. 10-story building. You can go see and show it to the public at large. But a 10-story building and only 4 meters road. I was shocked. Behind Lavande supermarket in Kandoli. I was campaigning that side. And I've seen a lot of structures like that. Even in Calangute, right? In CRZ also he has done this, given approval from PDA. I was a bit shocked on that. But anyway, he has given because he has misused the PDA for his own gains. And what I am saying is that with that, this type of haphazard development, where is the infrastructure created? Is there any proper road over there? Is there any sewage there for such high building? Is there proper electricity? We are not getting electricity for ourselves. How they will give for this particular structure?
Joseph, you entered earlier. You supported BJP in 2012.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the first time you are fighting on BJP ticket.
Yes.
How was it sharing stage with PM Narendra Modi?
How was
it sharing stage?
Yeah, it was good. See, I was honored that I shared a dais with the Prime Minister of India, and I was happy about it. We also met him, so he gave us some good guidance also, how to go about, and that's it.
Apart from PM Modi, did any senior leader of BJP meet you, the central leaders like Amit Shah or Rajnath Singh or something?
No, they didn't come, no.
Yeah.
It's only Fadnavis was there. Right? So Fadnavis, as usual, we meet, after, I think we met 4 days back.
Okay, basically what is being said about BJP is that their votes are always intact. Wherever you start with a positive note, on a positive note of about 4,000 votes, wherever the BJP fights.
Yeah.
So do you think all these votes would be transferred to you?
See,
Automatically transferred?
Automatically it will be transferred, I am telling you. Because the way he was projecting that he is only the savior in Calangute constituency, it is not. See, he has worked for 10 years in BJP. Why he had to leave the BJP at the fag end? Why not before that? He ate all the cream of BJP, all the cream, like PDA, ODP, then urbanization he wanted to do, all these things. You name it and you have it. Drug, prostitution, all these things he has taken care of. But end of the day, is he happy? Will he be happy by doing all this nonsense?
See, basically now I'm telling you, if you're talking about all these allegations, it is being said that BJP is going to lose Bardez. What is your view?
Definitely not. Definitely not. People are extra smart. See, this man in Calangute constituency went out from BJP. Why? For his own gains. And everyone knows why he went. First of all, let me tell you that he has a vision where no chief minister has a vision like that. Like, you start from scratch and you want to be great within 10 years, and that's it, and you want to leave a party and you say that I want to be the next candidate or some big shot in the government. It is not possible. People know you. In Calangute constituency, people know who he is, what his character is. Right? Because only thing is that people are afraid now. Even now, people are afraid. They are saying that we don't want to come out in open because he'll take grudge against us. He has gundas. He has everything. And I am telling you the facts. He is involved in drugs, he is involved in prostitution, he is involved in gundagiri, dadagiri, all these things he is there. You name it and you have it. I am challenging open.
Yeah, Joseph, but see, you, Agnel and Anthony have made this allegation many times.
No.
Why don't you come out with the proof and tell the police that this so and so is happening?
It is there now. He himself has said in the floor of the assembly that he knows who are the drug dealers and who are those people. Right? Why the government is not taking action against him? Why the select committee is not acting against him? I am saying, his own colleagues is saying, like Rohan County said, then from Sholim MLA Mandrekar, he said it. He is the Pablo Escobar, sir, and he is.
Now, when you have made these allegations,
Yes.
if you come to power,
Yeah.
BJP comes to power, are you going to take this allegation or this is just an election stunt?
See, no, what I want to do is that I want to clean up all this mess from Calangute. All this mess. Let the highest authority who is there inquire in these matters against him. Let them take decision. I am not the person who have to take a decision. But my thing is that I want to clean Calangute. I want to get rid of politics. I want to get rid of prostitution, drugs, gundagiri, dadagiri, everything which is happening now in Calangute. There are a lot of things which I have seen in Calangute and in Calangute constituency. I am moving around. I just say that, Are Baba, what has happened to Calangute? What has happened to Calangute?
Joseph, but this drugs prostitution has been there for decades, right from the times of the peace. As a panchayat, did you not have any powers to act against this?
We didn't have much powers. And the law was made when I was there in the panchayat, right? In 2014 or 13, I think, we made this law. But the police failed to take action because as a sarpanch, as a common man, I don't have that powers. See, why we had sent him to assembly? He has to put something in the assembly, write letters or move a bill that prostitution is, we don't want prostitution, or make a bill and make an act of it.
So you're basically now trying to say that this is your main poll plank,
Yes.
drugs and eradicating drugs and prostitution.
Yes, correct. And also the taxi problem.
Yeah.
They are shunted from east to west and from north to south by all the people. That I will get them in the right place. That is my intention. See, I don't want to say that, okay, I will do it and then I'll forget it. No.
Yeah, my next question was on taxis. Only,
Sorry.
Because most of the guys, most of the voters are taxi families.
Yes, 60% of them. 60%.
So, what would be your vision, or what your steps you are going to see that the taxi guy, the owners, get justice in court?
See, first of all, let me tell you that all this mess is done by TTAG, where I am also a member of the TTAG, and how they can file a case against a Goan in the High Court. You are also doing business, means TTAG is also doing business, taxi wala is also doing business. But why taxi people are being harassed? When you put your rate high in the month of, say, December, example, for Christmas, New Year, is it not that you are extracting more money from the guests? Or why can't you put a straight rate that from April to March, this is our rate?
So you are talking about a peak demand.
Peak demand. Why they had to file a petition in the High Court? Right? Because of this TTAG, all this mess is created, and who has done it is the person of Calangute constituency. He has given a chavi for them to file cases.
So you mean to say he has been misguiding the
Yes,
taxi
owners.
Okay. Now, apart from these issues, What are your other priorities for if you are elected?
See, I just want to do the basic thing, like give them electricity, give them water 24 into 7 and good roads to their houses. See, I have seen a lot of people who doesn't have roads to their houses. It's only about a meter or a half meter where roads are being given to the public. But it is sad to see in his own village in Parra, I saw that there is no road only. People has to jump on that this thing. I don't know which ward it is, but I was shocked to see that. And what planning he has and what a vision he had. Right? See, I have to have at least 2 tanks, water tanks, overhead water tanks in all the villages, like in Parra, in Arpara, in Calangute, in Kandolim. Water tanks has to be built, overhead water tanks. And then only there is a lot of water with the state government. But only thing is that we are not tapping that water and giving a supply to the public. That is the whole problem. Because from Asnora, water comes to Calangute. How much time, our lines are old. It is, I think, about 89 or before I could enter Panchayat. Before that, those lines were laid. Now, those lines are corroded, so no one is taking care of it. We have to put new lines also and give it to the general public. Second, about the substations. Substation in ODP, they have shown the substation at Bodkawad. And now he is boasting that he has done the substation. Substation, Nilesh Cabral has got it through his own retired executive engineer, Alan Pinto. He has given it to the he has given it to Nilesh Cabral, and they have paid the amount to Alan Pinto, and they are doing that substation, right? And he is taking credit for it, which is completely wrong.
So these are your priorities.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joseph, for giving us your precious time.
Yeah.
This especially this time because just 1.5 day left.
No.
This is almost 24 hours.
I'll
Less
tell
than 24 hours.
1 minute and one more thing. I forgot to tell you that I want to build a super specialty hospital in Calangute or in Kandoli, a government hospital, where it will cater to the needs of the general public, because there are a lot of people who needs medication, right? And there are a lot of senior citizens. I went to Calangute, Kandali, all this area. People, there are old people. They are saying, what schemes have you got us as my old people? Like, we are old, we can't move out. What are the schemes that you all have given us? So we tried to tell them, but these are the schemes and all that thing. And then they also said that since we are a senior citizen, our children are abroad, no one is there to look after the ration shop, the ration should come to their own houses. So we have got inputs also from the public. Yeah. That's right. So I have got that idea and we have to implement it.
Thank you, Joseph. We have got a good vision. We wish you all the best.
Yeah.
And thank you very much once again.
Thank you. Thank you.